If you want to change your Spotify password, you are at the right place. We have got the best methods to do it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Change Spotify password through website. If you want to change your Spotify password through their website, please use your preferred browser to visit the Spotify website. If you haven't logged in already, you will need your current password. Now click on your name and profile picture to access your profile after logging in. Press the account icon. The account summary will show up. There is a third tab labeled Change Password under Security and Privacy. There will be a lock icon beside it. Passwords can also be changed in this way. Give your current password, then add the new password. Repeat the new password. Select Set New Password by clicking the green button when you are ready to make the modification. Method 2. Change Spotify password on desktop. To do it from your desktop, first open the Spotify desktop app. Access your profile. To access a drop-down menu, log into Spotify and click the profile symbol in the upper right corner. The first choice is Account. Clicking on it will bring up a new page. Now select Security and Privacy and go to Password Change. After altering your password, click Create a new password. Enter your new password twice after entering your existing one once. Once satisfied, click Set New Password. Method 3. Change the password on mobile. To do it on mobile, launch the Spotify app, then select Login. To modify your password while you are already logged in, log out. Click Login without a password. Enter your email address or Spotify username and then select Get Link. Look through your email and sign into Spotify. Look for a Spotify email in your inbox. Once the mail is open, go to Spotify. After Spotify has reopened, after entering a new password with at least 8 characters, click Save. And there you have it. These 3 solutions help you to change your Spotify password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.